We're gonna unbox some new bird toys. Let's see what we got here. Whoa, what is this? What are these birds even real birds?
I bet.
Wow, look, it's an owl. And don't forget to subscribe. Whoa, what is this?
What do you think it is?
I don't know, a toucan?
I think you're right.
Whoa, what is this, guys? Whoa, what do you think this is, guys? Scarlet macaw. What is this, guys?
I have a guess.
What's your guess?
What's your guess?
Woodpecker. Whoa! What
is that?
this? Is this a bald eagle, guys? What about? Oh, a puffin. Whoa! There's another kind of owl. Whoa! What is this? Whoa! What is this? Duck? Whoa, guys! What is this? What do you think this is, guys? We'll smell it and find out. It smells like nothing. I think this is a seagull. Spoonbill. A pelican.
But at least it's not a pelican.
What do you think this animal is?
A redhead? Like me.
Is this a hornbill? A vulture? Guys, what do you think this is?
I have a guess on that one too. Actually,
What's your guess?
I'm wondering if it's an egret or a stork.
Yeah, and guys, this is gonna be the last one. It's a peacock.
That's cool.
See you guys. Thanks for watching Eli's Playtime, and don't forget to subscribe.